if there's a fortress and you're in the fortress and you're on the ground floor, and then there's a high tower in the fortress and somebody's at the top of that tower. The person at that top of the tower can see everything at a distance and they can see what's coming to you. You're on the ground floor, you can't see it. You can look up and see the tower, but you got walls on this fortress. You can't see what's coming to the fortress. And this is how your ancestors are. They can see what's coming to you. And they can reroute your trajectory, even though you might be against it. It's like what you might do with your child. You might say, stay away from them. I know that they're bad people, but Dad, they're my friends, I like them. No, it's something you see because of your experience of taking you here. Your ancestors are now higher than where you are and have been and still can be guiding where you're going. You just have to acknowledge that.